welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video, we are doing a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. I am so excited to sit here and do this unboxing with you because I've been waiting eagerly for my packages to come and unbox them here on YouTube with you all. So if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you are not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your bell notification so that you will never miss an upload from me. Also, while you're at it, why won't you just follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury so that we can get to know each other there as well as here on YouTube. I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. I am giving away these Gucci sunglasses right here. A lucky winner will be able to win these Gucci sunglasses. All of the entry details will be in the description box down below. So please check out the description box to see how you can enter into the giveaway. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I know you guys are like, that was a short and quick introduction, and yeah, because I am just as excited to see my items that I ordered just like you are. So I got 2 items from Louis Vuitton, and I have not seen them. I know I was on the website last weekend, and some of the things that were on my wish list, they were back in stock, so I just went ahead and hopped on them. So we're gonna start out with the smaller box. I just went ahead and ripped open the pull tab to make it easier and quicker to get to the items. So this is the box, Louis Vuitton. It's in like a smaller box. So I'm really excited to see this. This item that's in this box has been on my wish list for some time now. But here's the item. It's beautifully wrapped, and here is my receipt and return information right here. And I've had this item on my wish list for some time. There would be times where it would be in stock on the website, but I would just, you know, be like, oh, some other time I'll get it. Like it wasn't anything that was on my radar that I needed right then and there. And I was just like, ever since I found out about the Toiletry 26 being discontinued, I'm like, let me hurry up and just get the things that I want on my wish list that's already here and worry about it later. So it's beautifully wrapped. I took the gift card off of the packaging. Let me untie the ribbon. And it comes in this like pull box. So when I pull it open, ooh, the dust bag is this nice dust bag. And from the shape of it, I don't know if you can see the shape of it, you might know what it is, but I got the LV bandolier strap in black. So it's the black strap with the monogram canvas on the front, and it has gold hooks that have paper on them, but here are the gold hooks. But yeah, this has been on my wish list for some time, and I'm gonna use this strap on all of my handbags that I want a different strap option, and I'm also gonna use it when I convert my Toiletry Pouch 19 into a crossbody bag. I really also wanted this strap for when I was to get my Toiletry 26 that has been discontinued, to convert it into a crossbody bag as well. But I feel like I will get an opportunity to get my hands on the Toiletry Pouch 26. So yes, I just got a bandolier strap. It is so pretty. I love the black leather on the back, the canvas on the front. It's a very soft strap, so it's not really stiff like my Monogram 16mm strap. That one's a pretty stiff strap, but this one's not that stiff, and it's so pretty. I really love this, and this would be really cute with my my Palm Springs mini. Like, this is super cute. So this is the first item I'm gonna unbox. Let's go ahead and go to the second item. The second item I have been wanting for a really long time, and I really have been searching all over for that item. So here's the box, haven't been opened. So this item in the box is what I am like dying to see. Let me just go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll tell you the background story of this particular. Ooh, the ribbon came loose while I was taking it out of the box. So inside the box comes the actual Louis Vuitton box, and the return and receipt information. And so let's get right into it. So I'm opening her up just like that. And here she is. It's a handbag, of course. Here she is in the dust bag. She's so pretty. Oh! Here it is, guys. I ordered the Keepall extra small in the watercolor collection, and I absolutely love her. I love her because, one, it's something different that I do not have in my collection. It screams summertime. It's a white based bag with navy blue and gray watercolor on it. Let's take a closer look at this. This bag is so gorgeous. So this bag is a part of the men's collection, in the watercolor collection. And I was on YouTube catching up on my girl Micaela's YouTube videos. If you aren't familiar with Micaela, I'm gonna leave her YouTube channel in the description box down below, so go check her out. She purchased the extra small Keepall from the same collection, but it was completely all navy. And I literally fell in absolute love with it. And then I went on the website to find that same particular bag, but I ended up seeing this one instead, and I fell even more in love when I saw this one because this one's different. I don't have anything like this in these colors in particular. I know I have a Damier Azur bag, but that's literally the only white bag that I own. So this one would be like my semi-second white bag. It just reminds me of like a Speedy. Basically, a Keepall is kind of like the travel size Speedy, and I think this is so cute. I also don't have too many bags with silver hardware, so this is fun and exciting for me too. And then this is what the zipper looks like, and it comes with a zipper pull. And the interesting thing about it is that when I was searching for this bag, this was my first time ever like going onto the men's side of Louis Vuitton, and the men's side have some pretty nice bags, and it's just like, how come they don't make these bags for women? But all bags on Louis Vuitton website I would consider are unisex. Inside of the bag comes the shoulder strap. So there is a navy leather adjustable shoulder strap with the silver hardware that looks like that. That's the silver hardware, and it is adjustable as well. And it also comes with a shoulder pad. So this is the shoulder pad that you can attach to the strap. I don't think I'm gonna attach the shoulder pad, but if I ever want the extra shoulder pad, at least I have one. And this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's lined in navy blue textile fabric. So it's navy blue textile fabric lined, and there are no inner pockets whatsoever. So it's just one giant hole. She is literally adorable. The name of this bag is the Keepall extra small water blue, and the product code is M45761. And this bag is literally gorgeous. So I'm gonna attach the strap to it. So I have attached the strap, and this is what this little cutie is looking like. So this would be the front of this little cutie with the LV in the middle, and this is the back of the little cutie. See how it has more like navy colorway, and then is more, it doesn't have that much navy colorway on the back. The leather detailing is so cute. And the leather detailing, it like wraps around the whole bag actually. And the strap, oh, I am so excited to carry this bag. She is just so adorable. If you all want to see a comparison video between this and my Nano Speedy, I will be more than happy to compare everything, what fits inside my extra small Keepall and my Nano Speedy, if that's what you want to see. Leave a comment down below on what you think. What do you think about some of the handbags that you can find in the men's collection compared to the women's collection? And what do you think about this beautiful watercolor piece bag? I love it. This is like literally a piece of art. Oh, I'm so happy to have her in my collection. I really am. So if you like content like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. Also don't forget about my 500 subscriber giveaway, where I'm giving away these beautiful Gucci sunglasses. All the details to enter will be in the description box down below. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you all. Bye.
That's right.